Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to Arabic Phone Repair Master. Today I brought you Samsung A05. This one is locked MDM. So I'm going to bypass it using SSTOOL, which is Samsung tool. So this videos is for education purpose. This phone is locked. So we are going to bypass this phone step by step. Don't miss it. We have to format it first. This is the volume down and power button together. Once it's off, then you do like this. You press volume up and power button, then you release the power button. Here's it. You select wipe data factory reset. Click again. The phone is done. As you can see down here, the wipe is complete. So reboot the phone. Open your SS2 and connect phone in normal mode. Once you connect, and you have to open QR code. When QR code is open, you have to tap your screen of the phone 3 times. Then it will show you have to scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, connect Wi-Fi, both computer and phone. Once you connect Wi-Fi, so you'll do next until SS2 app appear in your phone. Then you click continue. It will show you message of USB debug mode. Then you click allow. Once you allow it, it will connect a DB. Then it will start processing, flashing. Then you choose here, you can choose the first one, even the second one is fine. Then you leave it like that. The phone is going to process everything until it's done. So here is processing. Just be patient. Shortly it's going to be done, as you can see. Yeah, here the phone is done. The phone is done, and this is bypass only. This is bypass only. It's not permanent. If you reset your phone, the phone is going to lock again. This is a KG lock. So if you format the phone, if you perform factory reset, the phone is going to lock again. So for you to use it, I will advise you not to update your phone and not to reset the phone. Most of these phones is using latest Android, so there's no need to update it. This is the results after bypassing. So everything here is done. As you can see. Thank you for watching. See you the next video.